Ever wondered which business paths could be a rocky start? Well, today we're not just pointing fingers, we're handing you the keys to entrepreneurial mastery. Let's dive into the secrets you won't find anywhere else. 1. The risky world of restaurants. Beyond the alluring aromas and culinary dreams lies a challenging reality. The restaurant industry is notorious for its high failure rates due to intense competition, substantial initial investment, and complex operations. Beginners often grapple with the delicate balance of creating a unique dining experience while efficiently managing inventory and navigating the web of health regulations. Understanding this nuanced dance between culinary artistry and business acumen is vital for survival in this demanding industry, where customer satisfaction goes hand in hand with financial viability. Challenges range from selecting the right location and crafting a menu that resonates with the target audience to managing a team effectively. It's not just about creating delicious dishes. It's about creating a brand that stands out in a saturated market. Mastering these intricacies is crucial before venturing into the complex world of the culinary business. Now let's move on the tricky terrain of high-competition markets, where standing out is both an art and a science. While the allure of a bustling industry may be tempting, it comes with its own set of challenges. Standing out in a saturated market, acquiring customers, and building a distinct brand become more demanding. The fierce competition adds layers of complexity, making it crucial for beginners to choose a niche with a healthy balance between demand and competition. This strategic approach ensures a smoother entry into the entrepreneurial landscape, allowing for a more gradual learning curve and increased chances of success. Research becomes a key ally here, helping entrepreneurs identify gaps in the market, understand consumer behavior, and tailor their offerings to meet specific needs. Entrepreneurs should also focus on crafting a compelling brand story, establishing a unique value proposition, and utilizing innovative marketing strategies to differentiate themselves. While a competitive market can be daunting, it's also an opportunity for creativity and innovation to shine. Mastering these strategic elements is essential before navigating the high-stakes game of a competitive market. Lastly on our list is the unpredictable world of retail arbitrage, where buying low and selling high requires more than just a good eye for deals. While it may sound like a promising way to turn a profit, especially in the online sphere, the reality involves a nuanced understanding of the market. For beginners, navigating the unpredictable market, mastering product sourcing, setting optimal prices, and staying ahead of trends can prove challenging. The intricacies of e-commerce, coupled with the need for a keen business sense, make retail arbitrage a risky venture for those just starting. Understanding these intricacies is key to navigating the unpredictable journey of retail arbitrage and minimizing potential pitfalls. Success often hinges on finding reliable suppliers, understanding market trends, and effectively managing inventory. You should also be aware of the ever-changing landscape of online marketplaces, ensuring they stay compliant with platform policies. While the potential for profits is there, retail arbitrage requires constant adaptability and a strategic approach to sourcing and selling products. Remember, success in business often comes with understanding your strengths and choosing ventures that align with your skills and resources. Steering clear of these challenging paths allows you to focus on opportunities better suited to your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring.